name's Joshua Martin. I'm Service Director here at Tonkin Wilsonville Nissan. Been with the Tonkin organization now approximately 10 years. A couple other local dealers in between there. I've been in my current role here at the Nissan store for a little over 2 years. With our store, it's often referred to as a destination store. We're kind of out here on the outliers of the Portland metropolitan area. It takes a little bit of driving to get to us, and we didn't have a lot of brand recognition, I guess, with the Tonkin Nissan name prior. The big thing that I was looking to improve was our customer pay RO count and our dollars per RO. In addition to that, our service retention, which is measured by Nissan. When we were first introduced to TVI, one of the things that really caught my eye was the fact that we could market not only to our area, but to the outlying areas. And TVI has shown a really strong impact with some of our other dealers, and I was just really impressed with how the system's set up, with the knowledge and the strategy that TVI has. Dollars per RO. Our CP labor sales per RO in the past year have literally almost doubled, but they're up about 155%. And that's huge. In addition to that, our service retention continues to climb, and what that all means is more dollars fall to the bottom line. So it's helping our dealer rely less on our sales department, as the service department is really picking up the slack, and I have to attribute a majority of that to our strategy with TVI.